How to fix connecting problem on iPhone WhatsApp. Hey there, in this video, I will guide on how to solve WhatsApp connecting problem for iPhone. First things first, let's talk about the most common culprit behind WhatsApp connection problems, your network. In fact, 90% of the time, it's your Wi-Fi or mobile data that's causing the issue. So our initial step is to check on your Wi-Fi network. Try restarting your router, as it might be the source of the problem. If you're using a slow network, consider switching to a faster, more stable Wi-Fi connection. And if that's not an option, simply turn off your Wi-Fi and switch to mobile data. This simple trick often does the job, especially if you're dealing with an unstable Wi-Fi network. But what if switching networks doesn't solve the problem? Don't worry, we've got more tricks up our sleeve. The next step is to make sure you're running the latest version of WhatsApp. Open up the App Store on your iPhone, search for WhatsApp, and check if there are any updates available. If you see an update button, tap on it and give your app a few minutes to upgrade to the latest version. This is crucial because the most recent updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements that could be the key to resolving your WhatsApp connection issues. After updating WhatsApp, open the app and see if the connection problem persists. If it's gone, fantastic. But if you're still facing issues, it's time to move on to the next fix. Head over to your iPhone settings, find the General section, and scroll down until you see the Transfer or Reset iPhone option and click Reset. Don't panic. We're not going to reset your entire device. We just need to reset your network settings. This will refresh all your connected devices on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, giving your network a clean slate. When you tap on Reset Network Settings, your phone will restart for a few seconds, and that's it. Still having trouble? No worries. We have one more ace up our sleeve. Go back to your General settings, tap on iPhone Storage, and find WhatsApp in the list of apps. Open it and click on the Offload app option. This will reinstall WhatsApp and force it to update to the latest version while clearing out any bugs and unnecessary data, such as cache files, that might be causing the problem. Don't worry, this process won't delete your WhatsApp conversations. It'll just give you a fresh, new WhatsApp installation. After completing all these steps, your WhatsApp connection issues on your iPhone should be resolved once and for all.